Hey guys, we're looking at step functions. This is step function 1, where we've got the cost of mailing a parcel on the y-axis and what the mass of that parcel is on the x-axis, and we know that the cost depends on the mass. And then we've got these statements that we have to determine whether or not they're true. It's a common exam style question. The cost of mailing a parcel in relation to its mass. First one says the cost of mailing a 1 kilogram parcel is $2.30. Well, if you find the 1 kilogram parcel, it's right here, and you go up, you're gonna want to say it's $2.30, but you're gonna notice that that's an open interval there, right? It's an open circle as opposed to a circle that's been blacked in. The ones that are colored in count, and the ones that are open don't. So that's the only really rule you need to know. If you write this down, you should be good. You'll notice that for the 1, you have to jump to the next level, to the next step, $4.60. So it's up until a kilo you pay $2.30, but the second you hit a kilo, boom, that's where it counts. So that first statement's false. We'll compare all these afterwards. All parcels weighing over 5 kilograms are mailed at a fixed cost. Well, let's find the 5, and the truth is, yeah, look, once you hit 5 kilos, you have a fixed cost, right? It never changes, and it goes on forever. So that's true. And so we know our right answer has to have a number 2 in it. Number 3, there is no cost for mailing a parcel that weighs 0.25. Well, 0.25 is over here somewhere, and you could see there is a cost, right? It's not free. If it was free, that cost line would have to be right down here on the x-axis. So anything between 0 and 1, there's a cost associated with it of $2.30. That's false. So if it has a 3 in it, it's gone. None of them do. Number 4, the cost of sending a 5 kilogram parcel is twice as expensive as a 2.5 kilogram parcel. Well, we're going to compare those two prices, 5 and 2.5. A 5, be careful, costs $13.80. Because at 5, we jump to the solid one, right? The dot that counts, $13.80. The 2.5, right there in the middle, is at $6.90. And if you take $6.90 and multiply it by 2, you'll see, in fact, yep, $13.80, it is twice as expensive. That's true. This is the kicker here, and they love this question. It costs $6.90 to mail a parcel weighing less than 3. And there's a trick in the language here you got to pay attention to. Because when you come to where the 3 is, does it cost $6.90? Well, a couple of things are going on. First of all, it's blacked in here. So you can see that the second you hit the 3, you're up to $6.90. But when you're less than 3, yes, it can be $6.90. And so you're going to want to say it's true. But the problem is that it doesn't just weigh $6.90 for kilograms less than 3, because look, here's a kilogram of 1.5 and it's not $6.90, right? The less than 3 are all of these prices here, not just $6.90. So you got to be careful. They love to give that one that looks true on the surface because some of them are $6.90, but they're not all $6.90. And so if it has a 5 in it, it's no good, right? And you can see right there our 2 and our 4 are good. And you'll notice 2, 4, and 5, they really want to fool you from C to make you put a B. Be careful.